Okay, today we're going to take a look at how we can use the point of view of characters in order to learn more about how the characters are feeling and to gain a better understanding of what the author is actually trying to tell us. So that's what we're going to take a look at today. So readers can tell the point of view of characters in a story by using clues in the story. Clues like the dialogue. And dialogue means that's what characters are saying. So when the characters are talking, that's called dialogue. And so we really look at dialogue because that helps us understand how the characters are feeling. And that gives us their point of view. So point of view means like how they are feeling. Are they feeling happy, scared, sad? That's their point of view. That's a character's point of view. So readers, they look at that dialogue and other clues in the text to figure out the point of view of the characters. And readers can change their voice to make it match. So when you know a character is feeling happy, you can change your voice to make it sound like they're reading happy. And when your character is sad, you can change your voice to match it. So when you know the character's point of view, it makes it a little bit more fun to read too. So let's take a look at this example right here. So here it says, George said, I love bacon. I can tell that George loves bacon, so I can make my voice go up. The dialogue, that's where those quotation marks are, that tells me that a character is speaking. That's George's exact words. He says, I love bacon. Here's William's exact words. William said, my bacon fell on the floor. Well, the fact that William says his bacon fell on the floor, that's a clue to me, telling me that maybe William was sad. So I can say that George's point of view is happy, and William's point of view is sad. And I can change my voice to match that. So what I just showed there is what you need to be doing in your reading. Look for those clues to find out the point of view of your characters. Let's look at another example together. All right, so we're going to see if we can together figure out the point of view of the different characters in this next story and see if we can't change our voice to match how they feel. Okay, here we go. Here's the first part of the story. Mother duck kisses her baby duck on the head softly. Hello, baby duck. I love you, she says. Do you notice how my voice went to a lovey voice? Because if I look at the picture also helps me see that Mother Duck loves her baby duckling. And I know the dialogue. This is the exact words of Mother Duck. She says, hello, baby duck, I love you. So I know at the beginning of the story, the point of view that Mother Duck has is that Mother Duck loves her baby duck. Mother Duck loves her baby duck. So that's her point of view. That's how she's feeling at the beginning of the story. Let's take a look at the middle of the story and see if we can figure out the point of view of Mother Duck and maybe even Baby Duck too. Are you hungry, Baby Duck? Asked Mother Duck. Would you like some food? So I can tell from this dialogue right here, I can tell that dialogue of Mother Duck asking if Baby Duck's hungry, that she's worried that Baby Duck might be hungry because she even asked her, would you like some food? So in the middle of the story, the point of view of Mother Duck is worried about Baby Duck. And I know she's worried because of what she says. She says, are you hungry? Would you like some food? And when I look at the picture, I can see Mother Duck leaning in towards Baby Duck. So those are some clues the author gave me to tell me the point of view of Mother Duck. Let's keep going. Baby Duck shakes his head up and down. Yes, I am hungry, Mommy. And I changed my voice because I felt like he probably would say that in a kind of a cry voice because he's so hungry. And there he is shaking his head. So in the middle, the point of view of Baby Duck is he's hungry. And those are the clues. The dialogue and the picture help me figure that out. Let's take a look here at the end. I can see a kind of a smile on Mother Duck's face here. I can tell she's probably a little bit happy maybe. Here is some food for my precious baby duck, said Mother Duck as she gave him some corn to eat. And I can tell that Mother Duck's probably kind of happy that she's giving her baby duck something. So let's see. So at the end of the story, the point of view, Mother Duck is no longer worried. So Mother Duck's no longer worried. That's her point of view. So she kind of changed. At the beginning of the story, she was worried. Mother Duck was. At the end of the story, she wasn't worried. And Baby Duck is no longer hungry. At the beginning of the story, Baby Duck was hungry. At the end, she was no longer hungry. So you can even see how the point of view changed for both characters. And we use clues to figure all of that out. We use the dialogue and the pictures. So when you're out in your reading today, I want you to be thinking about the point of view of your characters. What are your characters feeling? What are they thinking? Because you can use these clues. If a character's talking, really pay attention, because that dialogue is going to tell you how the character feels or what they might be thinking. And then you can figure out if they're happy, sad, or something else along those lines. So when you're out there reading, give it a good go.